How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys pelvic floor and bladder retraining exercises. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what does the pelvic floor muscles do? Pelvic floor muscles are important in providing support for the bladder, the intestines, and the uterus in females, and in maintenance of continence as part of the urinary and anal sphincters, you guys. So pelvic floor muscles grow weak because of pregnancy in women and aging or weight gain in men and women. So the exercise, I'm going to show you guys 3 exercises right now that will help. The first exercise that I'm going to show you is going to be the runner's lunge. Now this is a very good exercise that you guys can perform. All you're going to do is you're going to get into a runner's position. So pick whatever foot you want to, put it in front of you, and then all we're going to do is, I'll raise the camera up a little bit. All you're going to do is get into a runner's position, also called this a sprinter's position. So we're going to get like this, and we're going to hold this position, and you can feel the stretch in your pelvic floor. We're going to hold this position for 20 seconds, you guys. So I'll show you guys that right now. All we're going to do is hold that position. We're going to hold it for, again, just another 10 seconds. And you can also do it the other foot as well. It doesn't matter which foot you pick, as long as you pick one foot. You could also do it with this position as well. And again, all you do is you hold this position. The next exercise that we're going to do, we're going to go on the ground for this one. And this is going to be called the side leg lift. And we're going to do it with both legs. So you want to get on the ground. Now what you're going to do is all we're going to do is get on our side and lift our leg like so. And we're going to hold this position, the side leg lift. So again, get into the side position, hold your leg up like so. You want to do this with both legs, you guys. Just don't pick one or the other, do them for both. So again, get in this position, simply lift your leg like so. Hold this position for about 20 seconds or so. That's the second exercise, you guys. The third exercise that we're going to do is going to be the bridge. So we're going to get down into this position, and all we're going to do is we're going to lift our hips up like this. So again, all we're doing, our upper back's on the ground, and we're lifting our hips up, so we're in a bridge position. And again, we're going to hold this position for 20 seconds. So there you have it, you guys. I showed you guys the runner's lunge, the side leg lift, as well as the bridge. Those are the 3 exercises I recommend if you guys want better pelvic floor and bladder retraining exercises. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.